Hello, adventurers, and welcome to today's Expedition Erudite Wild Wednesday. With us Americans getting prepared for our Thanksgiving holiday, one thing tends to take center stage for many households: the turkey. But beyond its nearly universally liked taste and its iconic, many don't give a second thought to the bird itself. Today, we'll take a look at several features and characteristics in order to get a better understanding of the animal that has become a staple of American iconography. First, we'll look at species diversity, taking a broad glance at the species and subspecies. Then we'll study its biology, what makes a turkey, followed by its social behaviors and its natural threats. Finally, we'll dive into its cultural influence. So, strap on your knowledge knapsack, adventurers, and join me as we launch Expedition Erudite's Wild Wednesday, the turkey. Turkeys belong to the bird family Phasianidae and are native to North America. Their lineage traces back millions of years, with their overall form remaining unchanged for a long period. There are two primary species: the wild turkey, Meleagris gallopavo, and the ocellated turkey, Meleagris ocellata. The wild turkey is further divided into 5 subspecies, mainly distinguished by their geographic range and slight variations in plumage. These include the Eastern, Osceola, Rio Grande, Merriam's, and Gould's turkeys. The ocellated turkey, found primarily in the Yucatan Peninsula, is known for its strikingly colorful feathers and distinctive eye-shaped spots on its tail. Finding themselves amongst the larger bird species, there is a noticeable size difference between the turkey sexes. Male turkeys, known as toms, are generally larger and more robust than their female counterparts, known as hens. This difference in size and appearance is a classic example of sexual dimorphism, a common trait in many bird species where the two sexes exhibit distinct physical characteristics unrelated to reproductive organs. In turkeys, this dimorphism is particularly pronounced. Males display a more vibrant and colorful plumage, which plays a crucial role in mating displays and territorial behavior. Additionally, toms are characterized by unique physical features, such as a prominent fleshy wattle that hangs from the top of the beak, and a distinctive beard-like tuft of feathers on their chests, which can vary in length. These features not only differentiate them from females, but also add to their display during mating rituals. In terms of their lifestyle and behavior, turkeys are primarily ground-dwelling birds. They have strong, muscular legs that are well adapted for walking long distances and scratching the soil to forage for food. Despite their size and ground-oriented life, turkeys are capable of flying short distances, especially when evading predators or seeking safe roosting spots in trees. In fact, turkeys can fly at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour, or 88.5 kilometers an hour. This ability to fly, albeit over limited ranges, is a crucial survival mechanism. Turkeys have a varied omnivorous diet, which includes a wide range of foods such as seeds, nuts, insects, and small reptiles. This diverse diet is reflective of their adaptability to different environment and food sources. Furthermore, turkeys possess keen sensory abilities, with sharp vision and acute hearing, which are essential for detecting predators and navigating through their habitats. These sensory capabilities, combined with their physical attributes, enable turkeys to thrive in a variety of wilderness settings. Inherently social creatures, turkeys are commonly observed in groups referred to as flocks. These flocks can vary in size and composition, often consisting of hens, their young, and toms. The social structure within these flocks is intriguingly complex, featuring well-established dominance hierarchies, especially pronounced among the males. Dominant males, often the largest and most vibrant, assert their status through various behaviors and displays, which can include aggressive encounters with other males. This hierarchy plays a critical role during the breeding season, influencing mating opportunities and interactions within the group. Mating season brings about a remarkable change in turkey behavior, particularly in these males. They engage in elaborate displays to attract females, which involves puffing up their chest, fanning out their impressive tail feathers, and performing that characteristic gobbling sound. These displays not only serve to attract potential mates, but also to help assert dominance and ward off rival males, thereby also showcasing their fitness and suitability as mates. The breeding process is followed by a distinct shift in the social dynamics of the flock, particularly for the hens. After mating, a hen will lay a clutch of eggs, typically in a well-hidden nest on the ground. The responsibility of incubating these eggs and rearing the resulting chicks, known as poults, falls entirely on the hen. During this period, the hen exhibits strong maternal instincts, diligently protecting and incubating her eggs until they hatch. The young turkeys are born in a relatively mature state compared to many other bird species. They are covered in down and are capable of walking and feeding themselves shortly after hatching. Despite this early independence, poults remain highly dependent on their mother for protection, warmth, and guidance during the initial phases of their life. The mother hen plays a vital role in teaching her young essential survival skills, including foraging, predator avoidance, and social interaction within the flock. This maternal care is crucial for the survival and development of the young turkeys during their vulnerable early life stages. Wild turkeys face several natural threats in their environment, key among them being predation. They are vulnerable to a range of predators such as foxes, coyotes, bobcats, and large birds of prey like hawks and eagles. These predators typically target eggs, poults, or weaker adult birds. Young turkeys are especially at risk during their first few weeks of life when they are less mobile and more dependent on their mother's protection. In addition to predation, turkeys are susceptible to various diseases and parasites. Diseases such as avian pox, blackhead disease, and aspergillosis can impact wild turkey populations, sometimes with significant mortality rates. Parasites, including ticks, lice, and internal worms, can also affect their health and vitality. Combined with the challenges of finding food and shelter due to habitat loss impacting turkeys, as it does with most animals, these natural threats shape the survival and behavior of wild turkey populations in their natural ecosystems. It can't be denied. The turkey has a profound cultural and historical significance in the United States' society. From the tradition of the president pardoning 2 turkeys on Thanksgiving.
Now this is chocolate, right? Chocolate, you are pardoned. you are part. He said, you had to tell me that?
to even finding a home on the cultural powerhouse South Park.
All right, places, everybody. Bring in the turkey. What the hell is that?
It's a turkey.
His name is Gobbles.
Gobbles!
The turkey is integral to the U.S. culture. This significance is partly derived from Benjamin Franklin's admiration of the turkey. He saw the turkey as a true Native American species, symbolizing the unspoiled natural beauty and wilderness of the American continent. Franklin considered the turkey a symbol of honesty and courage, qualities he found admirable and reflective of American ideals. His preference for the turkey as a national symbol over the bald eagle was based on these virtues, representing a deeper appreciation for Native American wildlife and its symbolic resonance with American values. In the context of Native American cultures, the turkey's significance is deeply rooted and multifaceted. Various tribes, including the Navajo and Zuni, held the turkey in high esteem, integrating it into their daily life and spiritual practices. The turkey was not only a crucial food source, but also a symbol in religious ceremonies and folklore. Its feathers were used in rituals and as adornments, representing concepts like abundance, fertility, and connection with the earth. This integration of the turkey into the cultural and spiritual fabric of Native American life highlights its importance beyond mere sustenance, reflecting a holistic relationship with nature and its creatures. At present, though, there is no argument that the turkey is now associated with Thanksgiving more than anything else. Its association with the holiday is deeply rooted in American history, dating back to the early 17th century. When the Pilgrims celebrated their first harvest in the New World in 1621, a feast that is widely regarded as the first Thanksgiving, it is believed that wild turkeys were a part of the menu. This belief stems from the abundance of wild turkeys in the region and their significance as a food source for both Native Americans and early European settlers. The turkey was a logical choice for a communal feast due to its size and the amount of meat it provided. Over the centuries, this early association has evolved, with the turkey becoming the centerpiece of Thanksgiving meals across the United States. Its presence on the Thanksgiving table is a nod to the early days of American settlement, where the bird played a crucial role in the survival and culinary traditions of the settlers and indigenous peoples alike. The turkey, therefore, is not just a symbol of the Thanksgiving holiday, but also a link to the early history and shared experiences of the diverse cultures that shaped the foundations of American society. Thanks, adventurers, for coming along with me on Expedition Erudite's Wild Wednesday, the turkey. And until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep learning.